everybody, it's JoeTheUCxguy. And why do I have these twin looking phones here? Because I'm a geek and I'm JoeTheUCxguy and I have 1,000 phones in my place. No, not that many. But anyways, why do I have these two phones sitting next to each other? Well, one is the PBX version and one is the key system version. Can you guess which one? Well, in this video I'm going to talk about the phone on the right. This is the M7208 key system phone from the Northstar and BCM platform from Nortel. The one on the left is a PBX version. Never understood why Nortel didn't just integrate the two. They almost look identical. The only difference is the speaker design and the microphone on the very far right on the 7208. The display is also much nicer on the 2008 than it is on the 7208. Well, anyways, let's focus on the 7208 and talk about the features it does on the UCX. If you notice here, it has a standard dial pad, a fixed release and hold button, as well as a feature button. These can be line buttons or auto dial buttons, along with directory numbers and a hands-free on the bottom. I have a message waiting light plugged into this phone, along with a message on the display telling me I have one new message. So basically how this phone works is just like it does on the Northstar platform. You can also use the features from the Northstar on here, and a lot of the things you couldn't do on the PBX phone. I mean, you could do them, but you had to program them into the buttons. The cool thing about the Northstar was it was easy for users to just program buttons using the feature button. Everything on the 2008 had to be done on the PBX end. Don't get me wrong, I really like those phones too. Northstar phones were developed around 1987. These were developed around 1989. So 2-year difference, a little bit different design. The speaker on this phone is up on the top, and let's go in and look at the feature button and some of the things it can do. Let's say I want to do a button inquiry, feature star 0, and kind of go through and see what all of my buttons are. And let's see, where do we have a blank button? That's a blank button. Let's go ahead and program that to be page. Paging on this is an external number, feature star 1. Let's go page 84 and then hold, and it's saved. So now when I want to make a page, it says paging speaker. Customer needs assistance in the restroom, bring a mop please. Customer needs assistance in the restroom, bring a mop and a plunger stack, thank you. Oh, they must be panicking. There must be an overflowing toilet. Customer assistance in the restroom immediately, there's a flood. Customer assistance in the restroom immediately, there's a flood. Oh my goodness, oh, call somebody. So that's the thing you don't want to hear when you're at a grocery store buying your sushi. So let's go ahead and make a call to the voicemail system. So I can press this button, which blinks and lets me know, because this phone does not have a red LED indicator unlike its counterpart here that does. Let's go ahead and
password.
And now I will enter the password.
You have one new message. First message.
Hey, it's Joe Sus. Can you please call me back?
Press 3. Message deleted. No more messages. Press 3 for advanced goodbye.
So I checked my voicemail on there. That's pretty cool. It basically functions like the way it did on the Northstar platform. Let's make a call to this phone. If I dialed this right, yep.
Good day. One moment, please.
You see, it gives me the caller ID information in the screen. Great. Hi, this is Bill's cleaning service. How may I help you? Oh, you want to conference in Steve? Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to press conference. We're in conference mode over there. So I'm going to conference in Steve over here, or whoever the name I said made up. Okay, so he answers, and now I'm going to press conference here, and now we're connected there. We're connected here on a 3904, and we're connected here on the M2616. Basically pretty cool. We're connected between all these different phones, and let's say I hang up here, they still stay connected until that party hangs up, and then it's all gone. that's pretty cool. So if I make an internal call, let's say I make an internal call. I get the information on the display. It just tells me who's calling. I have two numbers there because I don't have a name programmed in, but usually a name will appear first and then the extension. So that's a little bit about how this phone works on the UCX platform from E-MetroTel. Thanks and have a great day.